Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is a brisk Monday afternoon. I have about 1 hour left and I got to crank out a couple of videos here still to meet my quota of videos. I try to go to one auto auction every week and then get 3 or 4 videos from them. So we're going to get right to work with a car that people told me I was completely wrong about. Well, doggy, this car to me looks familiar. Have I reviewed this car? Did this car come from another auction site and now it's over here? I think so, because it has a different sticker on it. There was a sticker from somebody else and now it has the IAA sticker on it. Do you remember this car? So many people said, if this is the same car, I really think it is, that I should get it. So many people said that I should get it. This is a 1972 Mercedes-Benz. This is the 250, I believe. Yeah, here we go. We're missing the bumper. This is now on the ground, right here. I think that may be because she's been forklifted so much. I don't know. I love the wheels. Those are cool. Those are really, really cool. But this looks so familiar. She really does. So very familiar. And listen to the sound when you close the door. Yep. Janice sounds just the same. She is in much, much, much better condition. That dish needs to be painted blue. But this is the same car, I think. I really, really do. Let's see if she has any power in here. We got her started at the other site. Let's just see what happens, okay? Oh gosh, please start. Please do something. Do something, baby. Come on. Oh, we got the steering wheel lock. There it is. All right, and over a quarter tank of gas. She wants to start. Oh my goodness, would this be a good little... No, she's not going to. Come on, one more try. Yeah, there's just no gas getting to her. We're building oil pressure though, see that? One more. Okay, let's just do it one more time. Come on, baby. I don't hear a fuel pump coming on when I do this. She wants to try. Come on, baby. Just let it sit for a second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. She's alive! Oh, she tried to start. Come on, baby. You can do it. I want to buy you. Oh, this is it. Come on, little girl. Yeah, she wants to start. She sounds good. There it is. She is alive. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. How about brakes? We do have brakes. I don't remember the seat being that bad. Ugh. The wood is terrible in here. It's all flaked up. Got a couple of cracks on the dash. So this is the next generation of the S-Class. I think this is the W109. Mine is a W108. And she's just... yeah, she's not even going to start, I think. You get water bottle. You get a water bottle or 2 if you like this. This is different. This right here is huge. It is humongous. So let's kind of see what's under the hood. The hood is open. I think they were just trying to get too much money for her at the other auction site. I want to say it was over 10,000. I want to say, but I don't remember for sure. I'll have to go back and look, or maybe if you guys want to go back and look, you can do that. Where's the release? Here it is. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Well, 2 of 21 right there. Absolutely. This is, it's a different engine than mine, but in some ways it's similar. Does that make sense? Yeah, this is still the straight 6. I think there's a little carburetor under here. You do have the air conditioning like mine does, okay? This looks similar to mine right here. But we got her running, remember? We did. We got her. I'll have to go back and see. I don't think she was this dirty, though. Yeah, she... Sitting outside, not running and all that kind of stuff with forklifts moving you all over the place is really, really hard on a car. It is really, really hard. And so now this doesn't even go in. Hopefully the rust hasn't gotten to her. It's just sad to see her here. We should start a GoFundMe and then we'll buy her. I don't know. But this is it. The 1972 Mercedes that has made it from one auction site to the other. And there are some scratches in the paint. I like Janice better. She's more stylish to me. The blue and the white is nice. But I just like mine, the W108, just a little bit more. And hey, look at this. It's the convertible Lucerne from Buick. No, it's not a convertible, but look what happened to it. Wow. Something heavy, and I mean really heavy, fell on top of it. That, could you imagine? What would that be? A tree or something that just kind of fell across it? But it does look kind of like a convertible. Yeah, very interesting. And if you're looking for an inexpensive little pickup, even though it's new, well, that's what this was designed to be right here. 2022 Ford Maverick. Yes, the Model T of the pickup truck these days. Very, very inexpensive, and people buy these things and they customize them, usually with new wheels, because you get the little cheapies. This is a cool color, all right? This is a really cool color. The wheel is terrible, and this is why she's here, right here. Someone kind of munched her in the back, which is, oh, she's a hybrid. What? Okay, well, this is different. You get lots of pieces wrapped in plastic right here. This is heavy, so a lot of the stuff underneath has been taken off. You got some zip ties on this side. What's the inside like? I love the color, I really do. Why is that blue? Is it blue? It's a weird blue with this cool color on the outside. I don't know. And then the black. And I guess to save money, they didn't finish the armrest right there. Okay. Anyway. Listen to that. Okay. This is... ugh. Why is this a different... Make it black. Black in this color would be gorgeous. This blue is different. Is it because it's a hybrid? I don't know. It just doesn't look like it goes to me. See, the back half, the bottom part of the center console is black, and this part is this blue. And that's just weird. That's just weird. Let's see if she's gonna start for us. This is already... Is it open? No. Okay, we're going to pull... Look how dirty. These were clean when I came out here. Yep. Okay. Let's just see what she's going to do. People have been getting in and out of her. Oh, we do have power. Okay. No push start. We do have power windows and power locks. This looks very much like a Mercedes key. Here we go. 43,600 miles. Look at all the colors right there. Vehicle is on. So we have power. Look at that. Let's turn you off to save power. Fan speed. There we go. No AC. No, I don't want this. Turn it off. Off, off, off. Hood is ajar. I wanted to open it. There we go. Okay. Cross traffic system fault. Can you hear it? See? Yeah. Yeah, she wants to go. She does. Whoa. This is kind of cool. I know nothing about, I didn't even think that they would make a hybrid Maverick. Maybe I'm a complete idiot. Maybe that's my problem. I need to Google this stuff and find out. Let's see what's under the hood. Here you go. Well, okay. There's your hybrid part. Here's your engine part. There's no pad or anything on the hood. They're saving money like that. How interesting. And then your hood mount is right there going this way. Okay. Well, this is cool. I don't know what to say. I know not to touch anything over there. Any of the orange. The engine part looks good. We'll close her up. Cool color on the outside, though. Well done, but the blue on the inside is just strange. See? I don't know. Tell me what you think about that in the comments. Battleship gray over blue. Weird. And you get a little bit of room back here. Not just a whole lot. But there's kind of a poopy smell here. Ooh, that was weird. Something in, I don't know. Something in that bag was bad. But the rest of this is really cool. Okay. 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid. That is pretty amazing. Blind spot system fault. I'm just trying to take it all in right here and to see what's going on. There's a definite poopy smell. I don't know why. There just really is. You got your park. I guess these are drive modes right here for this. I wish I could turn this off though. Yeah, here, power. There you go. Now it's off. Audio. AM. You got a phone. Oh, here you go. This was driven by somebody named Ashley. Apps, settings. This is cool. Turn that off, save the battery. Okay, well, this is nice. It's different. If it weren't for the poopy smell, I'd like it more. Well, I wish I could tell you more about this car. I don't know that much about it. One, because it's new. Two, because it's a hybrid. Fancy, fancy. But I'm glad you're with me for this trip here at IAA. Once again, the big thanks to everybody here at IAA Insurance Auto Auctions in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Super friendly staff. I enjoy coming out here all the time. And I'm glad that you were here with me for this endeavor. Okay, we're back with another video very, very soon. Until then, have a great day, okay? Bye-bye. Where's the camera? I've forgotten. Oh, it's right there.